Let's organize my fridge together. Let's organize my fridge together. I take everything out. I take everything out. I check the food. I check the food. This is expired milk. This is expired milk. I throw away the expired milk. I throw away the expired milk. This lettuce is old. This lettuce is old. I throw away the old lettuce. I throw away the old lettuce. This is a wet cloth. This is a wet cloth. I wipe the shelves. I wipe the shelves. I wipe the shelves carefully. This is a glass container. This is a glass container. I put the meat in the glass container. I put the meat in the glass container. I put the lid on. I put the lid on it. This is the freezer. This is the freezer. I put the meat in the freezer. I put the meat in the freezer. This is a clear bin. This is a clear bin. I put the fruits in the bin. I put the fruits in the bin. I put the fresh vegetables in the drawer. I put the fresh vegetables in the drawer. These are the eggs. These are the eggs. I put the eggs in the egg holder. I put the eggs in the egg holder. These are my drinks. These are my drinks. I stack the cans. I stack the cans. I organize the juice bottles. I organize juice bottles. I line them up on the shelf. I line them up on the shelf. Look, everything is in its place. Look, everything is in its place. Everything is neat and clean. Everything is neat and clean. The fridge looks wonderful. The fridge looks wonderful.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.